Hi dear friends. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I take some high-end items and some low-end items, marry them together and make a really pretty, elegant tablescape in black and gold. Let's jump right into it. I'm starting off our table with a black tablecloth, which is always nice for a dramatic base. To that, I'm adding these natural colored placemats, which is very nice in contrast to our black tablecloth. On that, I'm adding gold charger plates from the dollar store, very inexpensive. And then I'm adding black dishes that are from Pier 1. To that, I'm going to add some gold paper doilies, also very inexpensive, and a really pretty contrast to the black, and in keeping with our black and gold theme. I'm adding some crystal salad plates on top of our doilies. And then on top of those plates, I'm adding these pretty white appetizer dishes with gold trim, and then those are actually gold little ornaments from Christmas that I do use all year round just to help decorate my tablescapes. Now down the center, I'm using this $2 chunky glitter fabric that I purchased at Dollarama, which you can see is in a nice shiny gold, and that's going right down the middle. And that acts as our runner. To that, I'm going to add a little gold candle holder. It's quite ornate and very pretty. And I've shopped my home for this whole tablescape. On top of that, I'm adding this gold curly Q plate. On either side of our table, I'm adding these gold mercury glass candle holders. But rather than put candles on them, I'm putting these DIYs that I made last year. I bought these black feather boas from the dollar store. I bought the white, the balls there, the styrofoam balls, and simply glued the feather boa to the styrofoam. And I made these fantastic looking decorative pieces. I decided to use these napkins with some black writing on them. Those are DIY napkin rings made from an old bracelet that broke. I took the little gems there and simply glued them on to very inexpensive napkin rings. And then these black candle holders come from Dollarama. They were probably $2 each. And then what I'm going to do is take this Royal Albert Val-d'Or teapot and move it over to the center of our table, front and center. It's trimmed in gold, so I thought it would be perfect for this tablescape, and I've just accented that with a pretty little gold butterfly. So the teapot is definitely our high-end item on this table. We have these pretty crystal champagne flutes filled with some inexpensive, chunky, crystal looking clear and black little pieces. I'm not even sure what to call those, but they are pretty. They sort of look like ice. And the last piece that I'm going to add to our beautiful table is our matching Royal Albert Valdor teacups. They're trimmed in gold, and if we're going to have a teapot on the table, I guess we may as well have our teacups.